Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Important Chance Appraisals on Wednesday the 10th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hentec Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now. And we've actually had a bit of traction to the upside. It seems as though that the Euro has been one of the sort of stronger relative currencies on the Forex majors, and that seems to be now bearing a bit of fruit because we've seen this Euro just starting to gain traction to the upside. That long-term pivot, 110.50, again seems to have come in as a basis of support. Seems to have been supportive throughout this week and pulling high. You're now back above 111 figure, and I think this is pretty much sort of confirming that there is a very sort of mixed outlook on the euro. There's no real trend in place. I mean, generally speaking, I tend to favour a sort of a bearish bias, and I think ultimately the euro will pull back lower again amid dollar strength. But I think it's going to be a very choppy phase, and I think that seems to be a lack of real conviction either way. You seem to have these sort of bearish moves, bull recovery, bear moves, bull recovery, bear move, and another bull recovery in place at the moment. I mean, you look at the momentum indicators, basically neutral, aren't they? Sort of RSI picking back up above 50. It was sort of 47 yesterday, 53 now today. MACD lines bang on neutral. Stochastics sort of turning a little bit higher. So you'd argue again, a couple of days, 3 days of bull move, you're sort of showing a little bit more positivity once again through this. But to be honest, ultimately I think it's going to turn lower again. You've got that resistance at 12.33, which was the reaction high early August. I think that still remains in place as the key resistance near term. Not only that, you've got this this is the hourly chart, this resistance around sort of 11.50, which was that sort of pivotal level. Yes, it sort of got to 11.62, which is the pre-payrolls high, but I think that is a basis of resistance around 11.50, and again that seems to be coming into place. The momentum indicators choppy, you'd say, rather than trending. I'd say this is more of a sort of a messy range play that we're seeing at the moment rather than anything else. A sort of move to positive on the momentum, back down to negative, back to positive, rolling over again. You'd say there's a near-term pivot at 11.20 area, sort of between 11.20 and maybe 11 figure, sort of 20 pips worth of support. If that holds, then you're still sort of looking at the near-term positive move, but again, that overhead resistance around 11.15 is still in play, and I think anything sort of above 11.50 is likely to run out of steam underneath that 12.33 resistance, and you're likely to see that pulling lower. So a choppy trading phase for the euro, but still I'm expecting at some stage, because of the breakdown and the general sort of monetary policy environment that we've got, I think we're still favouring a negative euro dollar move at some stage, but at the moment we're just pulling mildly higher, but I don't expect it to last particularly long. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.